Today, guys, me and my friend, we're gonna test all the melee weapons on Animal Company, and we're gonna rank them to see which one is the best. Let's go. Okay, so we're in the hangar now with my friend, and we're gonna start off with shake it, with the sword. Ah! Okay, so we're gonna test the sword now. So let me regen because he hit me. Okay,
now you need to wait the effect to go because the ammo can get because it made the damage less you know.
Yeah. So let's wait now. Okay, the effects are supposed to be gone now. Okay. First off, let's test the damage. Go ahead, hit me.
I guess that was...
Okay, so it did pretty much damage. No, I didn't really do much damage. Only took a tiny little bit of my health. Okay, now...
with like...
Let's test the heavy test, okay? So, take off your bag.
I'm gonna put in my stash or down at this one.
Ah! So, give me the sword. Let me take my thing off. I'm at 0 now. If I pick it up, it's pretty heavy. We can run kind of fast with it. We can jump higher, but I think it's pretty good at the heavy test. And now I don't think we need to test the if it like pushes us hard, because I think we already saw that. Let's go to the next weapon. Okay, so now up to the next weapon is
Boomerang! Oh. You guys weren't supposed to see that.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm almost at full health. So I'm at full health. So hit me one time. Oh my god, it did like a tiny little bit of damage. Oh my god.
Now let's see how heavy it is.
Give me that. And now I'm at 0. I pick it up. Oh my god. It's not even heavy. It has 0 heavy. Like, it's at 0. Okay, now we tested the boomerang. I know it was not that long, but it's time for the next weapon.
Don't come back, dude.
Okay, roll the bag.
I think you guys already know what it is. Lightsaber.
Oh, back off. Don't hit me yet. Okay, I'm at full health now. Hit me one time.
Ah!
Bro, you need to hit me. Yeah. Oh my god, it did like a tiny bit of damage again. How? Stop hitting me. Ouch, man, I'm almost dead. Okay, so it did a tiny bit of damage. Give me the thing. So now let's test. Let's do the heavy test. Drop the sword. Drop the sword. Okay. Oh, it's pretty heavy. I would say it's as heavy as the sword. Alright guys, it's time for the next weapon. Wait, give me that bag. I wanna do it. Hey. You're gonna give me that bag, okay? You're getting fired, man. Oh my gosh, I'm tired of you. Okay, y'all didn't see anything. So give me that bag. Okay, fine. Just do it.
This weapon is... Oh, my bad again.
Stop leaking everything, man. Okay, so now it's the shield. So, I'm at full health now. You can hit me. Oh my god, it did like absolutely no damage, man. It does.
Yo,
absolutely...
you sent me rolling.
Heavy test now. Okay, so it's not even heavy, man. All these weapons are not heavy. So,
and bad, bro. They're like bad and not heavy.
Yeah. Okay, time to go on the next weapon. Let's go. Okay. Open the bag. This time we mixed it a bit, so y'all won't know what it is. Okay, open it. Oh
Long
no.
sword.
Okay, I think I'm at health. I'm at full health. So hit me.
Bro.
What? It did no damage. Okay, now it's time for the heavy test. Give it that. Get that back. Oh, it's pretty heavy. I could say it's more heavy than all the other items that we tested. So time to go on the next weapon. Get out. Okay, time for the next weapon again. Let's see.
Mix.
The bag.
Mix. Oh my. My other's mixed.
Just open. Pickaxe. Well, okay. Hey, chill. So it's time for the health. Let's go. Hit me. Hit me tons of times. Oh, it's pretty good actually. Yo. Oh my god. Okay. Get this pickaxe out of there, man. Next
You
weapon,
forgot
please.
to see heavy tests.
Oh, I forgot. Okay, now time for the heavy test. Oh, it's pretty heavy actually. Stop pooping everywhere, man. Stop pooping everywhere. Okay, time for the next weapon. Twerk on my camera. Twerk on my camera.
Next item.
Okay, let's go.
Spin.
In. One last time. Oh. Stop leaking everything, man. Police baton.
Stop.
It's police baton. Oh, it does actually a lot of damage. Oh my god.
God damn.
This actually might be the best weapon, man.
Yeah, for now it is. Cause
Ow. You're gonna stop hitting me, man. I'm trying to do my video. Okay. So, open the bag. I'm gonna fire you, bro.
are you full health?
Yeah, I'm full health. I just died.
Crowbar.
Okay. Wait.
This is the OG weapon. Hope it does a lot of damage.
Wait. If you're still watching this video, don't forget to
Like the bag.
say it better.
Like it's gonna subscribe or you're gonna get killed like this.
Ah, true. Test it.
You ready? Hope
Yeah.
it's a good one because it's OG.
It's pretty bad.
Crowbar! You
No,
betrayed me.
Actually, it's good. Time to test the, heavy. It's pretty heavy, actually. Okay, next weapon now. Why are you like? Open the bag. Open the bag, man. Hulk fist. Okay, well, wait. Oh, bro. Okay. It's not that heavy.
Because it's
What?
bad.
What? Okay, stop. touch up for the next weapon, man. Guys, my friend just got the dog disease, so now he can't stop barking. Open the bag.
Ah!
Open it. Stop barking, bro. Okay, actually, bro, stop it. Okay, open it, open it. The Pinata thing. Okay. Health. Oh my god. I'm red. Hit me again. Oh my god, I can see colors now. Wow. Why is it rainbow? Okay, now for the heavy test. Give me that baton. Oh, it's not that heavy though. Okay, let's go. Next weapon now. The pen?
Cooking with Jacob!
You're not Jacob. Hit me one time. Oh, it does that. It does lots of damage though. Hit me until you kill me. Oh my god, it does actually a lot of damage. Okay, now for the heavy test. Give me that pen, man. So, oh, it's not that heavy. Okay, next weapon now.
Whoa, whoa. Bat! Baseball bat!
Hit me. Oh my god, it does so much damage. Yo.
Oh!
Actually?
That's the best one for now. That's the best one for now.
Okay, heavy test. It's not even heavy. Like,
That's the best one for now, bro.
Like, bro. You ready? Yo.
That's the best one for now.
Yo.
Okay, so this is not the last one. This is one of the last ones.
No, the axe. Hit me. Ouch. Hit me tons of times. Oh my god, it doesn't do lots of damage. Yo, it's actually bad, man.
No! Go with me, check while like throwing it.
It still does the same damage.
I mean, we can do combos.
Shoot.
Okay, so this is I think was better than it is.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry for you.
Pretty bad. Okay, last weapon now. You're back
Okay,
here.
so
That's the last weapon. Let's test
so
it.
there's two attacks. There's two attacks. There's boom and there is like boom. Just
No,
attack.
the boom on the ground only pushes player. It doesn't hurt. Oh my. Wait. Buy me 2 grapplers. I wanna test like when you hit me tons of times. Buy me 2 hammers. I mean 2 grapplers.
My bad.
Okay, wait. Let's go. Bro. Let's go, hit me. Tons of, oh my god. One last time? One last? Yo, actually, it's pretty good. And now test for the heavy test now. Let's go. Don't hit me, man. Oh my god, it's super heavy. It's the heaviest one yet. I mean, it's the heaviest one. That was the last one. Yo. So the best weapon in all Animal Company is the bat. It's bro. The bat is so good that it even replaced Kaiser Nat.
Yo, where's that even real?
So that's it for today, guys. So the best weapon is the bat. That's it for today, guys. See ya in another video, and don't forget to
like and subscribe.
yeah.